Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor stock. This one today is down by 5% and we're going to be speaking about it over the course of tonight's video. If you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, but as always do remember, I am not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. Now jumping straight into tonight's filming, we do have a few things to pay attention to over here. The first one is the fact that we are seeing this one unfortunately drop a little bit further today, however we are still holding above a few critical points. We appear to be holding above numbers at 880, numbers that we've seen hold up both here on Monday the 10th and also going back through Thursday and Friday or Thursday I should say, of the previous week. Now with this being noted, this is going to be my first level I am looking out for. I'm looking at the 890 range, the 880 range to the downside if we are to fall. Below that I am seeing numbers potentially down around the 865, the 860 mark, maybe even down to 835. If you drop below that guys, it could be down to numbers such as 815, and if you drop below that it could be down to numbers such as 770. In terms of upside potential from here, if we are to see any, we need to initially break through a few numbers. The first I'm looking at is 935. If you can push that, it's onto 950. If you can push that, it's 973. Push 973, I'm looking at 990 for a potential break above into the $10 range. Realistically guys, my main objective here is to potentially break into the $10 range. If we can begin to see that, I am feeling very positive. If we fall below this, again, we're looking at these supports to the downside. RSI here is actually shooting up over the last couple of days, something of course to be aware of, but with today's decrease it is coming down a little bit. We are still within the normal range, but again we are on the high side of that, so again something to pay some attention to. It would be nice to see this one begin to consolidate, again hold above these initial levels of support, and hopefully go on to retest that $10 range. That's what I'm looking for, but I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for your time and goodbye for now.